What is going on, guys? Are you guys interested in making your own extinguisher bracket? Stick around. Get yourself some 2x2 by 1/8 inch. This was the first template I made, but not the last. I made a couple of them until the fit and finish was just right. Stick around to the end of the video, and I'll tell you how to get this template free of charge. More than willing to send it out to anybody that's interested in making this extinguisher bracket. This was the first variation. It didn't quite fit, so I ended up making a second one. Just make sure you check fit and finish before you paint. Get yourself a 3/8 by 16 thread. This extinguisher mount was a very inexpensive Amazon buy. I'll leave a link down in the description for you. Here I am just attaching it to the new bracket. I have to admit, that was a fun Sunday afternoon project. And if you're interested in the template to make that yourself, hit me up in my email. Go to my bio. You can find my email there. I'll gladly send you a PDF to your email where you can cut it out and make your own extinguisher bracket.